Hey everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampinCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me. Today I have some cards from our Christmas in August event. They're all Christmas cards. This was for my customers. I have some team members in there as well. In fact, most of them were team members. But with this swap, we're a little looser on our swap guidelines, so they can use current product, they can use retired product, they can use contraband product if they want. We don't really have any rules except they need to be Christmas cards. So this is always a fun swap to do whenever you get to see what everybody does without, certain restrictions or guidelines placed on them. So excited to share those with you today. A quick reminder that tomorrow we have 2 new kits coming out. We have an awesome kit collection. We also have new online exclusives coming out. So I'm very excited about those. I've gotten to see, we've had the month of October to pre-order those. So I have ordered some of the items. So I'm excited to do some projects with those with all of you. All right. And I should be back to, I don't know if I mentioned this, but I should be back to live videos after today. I've been traveling and then I had a ton of cards. This is my last group of cards to share with you today. So click subscribe if you don't want to miss out on future videos. Make sure to join my email list so you keep apprised of all the specials and classes and stuff that I offer. Okay, so let's get started. All right, so our first card is from Amy Marr. Amy used the tractor bundle, and then remember the trees for sale, or no, these are from the tractor, but she did trees for sale there. Isn't that cute? And Amy always decorates the inside. Got some Wink of Stella, if you can see that glimmer. And then she always decorates her envelopes as well. Super cute, Amy. Okay, this one is from Carrie Taylor. And remember this set from maybe, I don't think it was last year, I think it was the year before. And then this is one of our die sets here. Love that. Oh, and she's embossed the inside piece. Ooh, fancy. Fancy, fancy. Okay, this is from Deanna Barton. She's used some window sheets here. These may be contraband ornaments. That's okay. But do you remember this paper? I love this paper. Older paper, retired quite a while ago. Love it. And then, of course, our glimmer paper. I still have some of those. I hoard that stuff because I love it. Okay, this is from Carrie Ray. And she used the little, the jar set that we have, and she's turned it upside down so it's more like a snow globe. Isn't that cute? And she's got the shiny covering on it. It says, sending a jar full of cheer. And then, may your heart be filled with joy. Isn't that cute? So she's got the window, and you can see it when you open it. Love it. So cute. And Carrie also made, I have a note, Carrie also made some of these. Isn't that cute? And remember that stamp set? It's retired, but I have used this. I use this in the craft show so much. So much. And then she's got look, there's even chocolate left in here. Now I can open it and eat it. Oh, chocolate hazelnut, one of my favorites. Okay, this is from Vicki Collins. And she used that llama set that we have. It's an online exclusive, I think. Where's it in the catalog? I can't remember. But it's so cute, a little fun fold. Love it. Long time no see. I think this is an online exclusive. Not positive, but super cute. Lots of coloring. She's got Wink of Stella here on the scarf too, if you can see it. Try to get a little glimmer in there. Very cute. This is from Mary Harvey. I love the little village sets. And then she used it really great here with this, the little pine die set. And then the whole thing's cut out with the stitched rectangle. Beautiful color scheme too. And then we have the inside decorated. And a little tree on the front. So cute. Okay, this is from Rita Doherty. Now Rita had surgery and wasn't able to come to Christmas in August, so her granddaughter came and traded swaps with us. But Rita had made these. Isn't that pretty? Remember that paper? I always love, and this is some of that kind of iridescent glimmer paper. I love seeing this kind of brings back nostalgia because I don't get to use my retired paper very often. And I love it when other people do so I can see what they've been using. And it brings back memories. Okay, this is from Laura Diamond. This is all current product, by the way, right here. And this is the Holly Jolly, or Jolly Holly set. I love this die. And I love how she's done the sanding on the holly leaves. Beautiful. Love that. Oh, and then she's got some bells from the Holly Jolly set too. Okay, this is from Janet Hathcote. And Janet's done a little sanding, or she's used a white marker or something on the little background to make it kind of look like stars. And then the tractor with the trees. So cute. And I love that it opens this way too. This is one of our online exclusives. I'm using this in my card class projects. I used it in my October card class projects, the tractor set. It's got lots of pieces, so it's a bit of a die cutting nightmare. And Janet, I give you props. And Amy, because you did this well. It is a lot of pieces. But so cute. I think I did that too. I don't know. Okay, next one is Sharon Milburn. Do you remember this paper and that stamp set? Love it. So cute. And then I missed this. I thought this was still current and realized that it wasn't just a couple weeks ago, and then I had to take it out of my stock. And then I, of course, love this one. And then she's done the inside, Season's Greetings. So pretty. I love it. And then she did the front too. That's a gorgeous card. They all make gorgeous cards. And then this was mine. I go with simple. Usually everybody makes much more beautiful and more elaborate cards than I do. But this is one of the bundles, The Peace on Earth, I think, Peaceful Garden. From the mini catalog, and I loved it because of the doves and the dies and the embossing folder, so that's what I went with. All right, and that is it for today. That is the last. I've cleaned out my whole giant basket of cards I've been saving, and I have a clear spot on the top of my desk now, so now I'll start saving up for the next ones. We do have lots of other things coming. So thanks everybody for stopping by. I'll tell you about my trip on a Thursday class. I'll tell you where I've been and what we've been doing. And well, we're making something. I don't know what we're going to make, but we'll see what we have. All right. Thanks everybody for coming by, and I will see you soon.